This is a project called LorraMine, and this amazing project is made of mining models, all weathered to perfection. LorraMine simulates the mining world in every details possible. Built by a group of talented French guys, the modeled mine includes 1/50th models such as the Liebherr 996, the Caterpillar 797, the P&H 4100, and many more. With the help of 3D printers and real-life images, the guys behind LorraMine could replicate most of mining features such as crushers, workshops, and of course, little miners. This is without a doubt the best mining modeling you will ever get to see. Stunning.